We're just pruning some fruit trees. We're mainly taking off all of the really fast-growing first-year water sprouts. It's all the stuff that when you look around at these trees, you'll see a lot of branches that are just growing straight up. They're a lot lighter in color. And that's all the newest growth. For most fruit tree species, the actual fruit grows on the second or third year growth. And so we're trying to preserve a lot of that stuff. That's like a lot of these little branches with all the buds on them are like little spurs. Those will produce fruit. You can see all the buds on them right now, the flower blossoms. Yeah, we're just pruning. We're looking for dead and damaged and diseased wood as well. And then any dysfunctional wood, like branches that are crossing. Sometimes, like you kind of see here, these branches were left even though they were crossing. And so they're starting to grow into one another. And at this point, it probably would cause more damage to take those off than it would be to just leave them. I'm sure at some point, maybe this whole branch will eventually be pruned off, but for now, we won't worry about that because it'll just be a big wound. Yeah, we're same kind of like strategy. We're trying to make sure we don't cut more than about 25 to 30% off of the tree. So that's why we're putting most of our efforts into cutting out all of the fast-growing last year's growth, all the what we call water sprouts or suckers. Put more energy into these branches that are producing flowers and fruits. Cool. Otherwise, it just keeps growing taller and taller and taller, and it becomes unmanageable. Yeah, so rather than taking all of this pruning debris off-site and like disposing of it via compost or burning it, we're going to leave it on-site here for the homeowner, and it's kind of acting as somewhat of a visual and sound buffer, but also acting as habitat for all the critters that like to inhabit this little green space next to the property. I've been hearing robins, red-winged blackbirds, and I'm sure there are plenty other terrestrial critters that are going to enjoy this pile of debris as well.
Cool.